Okay, so this is hot off or cold off the washing line, if you like. Still needs to be aired off, and I've still got to go over and just cut off the loose threads that are poking through. So I just wanted to introduce it to you and the concept behind it. So when it comes to quilting, people quickly seem to find the hang and feel comfortable with actually creating the quilt, putting the blocks together, and then it comes to the quilting part, and that's where everybody seems to sort of start to wonder, what am I going to do? How can I quilt it? You spent all that time putting the quilt together and you don't want to spoil it. So to help with that, I came up with this Confidence Builder Series. So I've created 9 blocks and quilted them and then joined them together in a quilt as you go method. So and I'm really pleased with the way it's turned out. So we've got a different way of quilting for each block. We have got Quilt in the Ditch because that is the one that everybody comes up with, but it's not our first one. We spend some time actually getting used to moving our machine around, our blocks under the needle, so that we can gain in accuracy and confidence with how our machine is going to react and how it stitches. Some we've got here, this one and that one, I do believe, is where we've actually combined patterns together, and also on this block it combines 2 different patterns together. It helps to develop ideas for yourself as well when it comes to doing your quilting, different ways that you can come up with quilting blocks, and marking out, having the confidence to try something different, and that's the whole process. So I will be putting this together as with a pattern and as a kit, along with all the tutorial videos. I'm hoping that by doing it you'll end up with a quilt that you're quite happy with. It's come out at quite a nice size, so by 15, 40, 30, 45 inches square, if I remember rightly. So it'd be lovely to go across the back of the sofa, use it as a lap quilt, as a baby quilt. I'm sure that you'll find something useful. This one will be going up on the wall in the studio as a sample, and a basis of classes coming up in the future. If you would like to know anything more about it, do let me know, do get in touch, and I'll pass the information on to you as soon as it's ready. Thoroughly enjoyed putting it together, and actually I've got to thank members of my online members club, because it was from a question that was asked in there that gave me the inspiration to put this together. So if it's something that you will find useful, that you would like that individual help to be able to gain more confidence in your quilting and the things that you make, do come and check out the club as well. You'll be more than welcome in there. Very friendly and supportive group. So I hope you enjoy that, and I shall be speaking to you very soon and with all the details as and when I have them.